So we are in the Motorcycle Museum in Invercargill, New Zealand. Yeah. Definitely motorcycle art, aren't they? MV Augustus. Chris has got this. Chris has got this. Yeah. Right.
Rough Superior, 1936. Beautiful sidecar.
Certainly some beautiful bikes in here, isn't there? Gorgeous. I'm not going to film that. I am not going to film the V46 sidecar.
Vespa. All three of us could go on this one. You may.
A police edition, Moto Guzzi. Moto Guzzi, California. Yeah, sidecar, anyone? So we have to go down into the basement if we want to have a look at the George Begg bunker collection. So this is downstairs, we're in the basement.
I have never seen so many sidecar outfits.
Yeah, sidecars, a number of them. Amazing, isn't it?
This is this might be one of the biggest sidecar collections ever.
Yeah, huge. And everything looks in a pristine condition.
Beautifully maintained.
Pristine condition.
This is a beauty. Sit at the back to drive and the passenger sits at the front.
Yeah.
Invicta tri-car.
Yeah.
3 wheels.
Now that's a lift.
Go close them now, have you? You should both lift doors are closed after you exit so that it can be called back down if it needs to be down.
So now we are up on the first level. This looks like the British collection.
I think that's what she said, British. Britain collection, she said being British.
The British collection, and the Britain, I think she said, was up here. It's Henry Cole, the motorcycle show.
Uncle Mick used to have a BS in his garage in Wimbledon.
Yeah. Number 1 of 10 built. 4 and 5 valve heads, 1100 cc's and 1000 cc's, 138 kilograms, top speed 303 kilometers per hour, 166 horsepower. So what do we have here, Mrs. Lane? Alright, Speedway. Let's have a look in here. Let's have a look at some cars.
Michael Clark with George Beard.
Yes.
Wild looking woman. Mods and the Rockers.
No, when the rockers pick me up, another rock, another table. It's very sweet.
In addition to the clashes with the mods, rockers became known for playing other dangerous games. There were numerous reports of something called record racing.
The afterglow of this daily war, I need so much more than just holy water. The wind is roaring my heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her.